Commit to lifelong growth. Embrace the journey of becoming. In a fast-paced, ever-changing world, one of the most empowering commitments you can make is to lifelong growth. This commitment isn't about perfection, it's about progress. It's the conscious decision to keep evolving, learning, and becoming better, regardless of age, success, or circumstances. Lifelong growth is a mindset and a way of life. It reflects an understanding that we never arrive at our full potential, but instead, we continuously grow into it. Committing to lifelong growth means embracing curiosity, humility, and a willingness to stretch beyond your comfort zone. It involves not only building knowledge but also refining your character, developing emotional intelligence, improving relationships, and fostering resilience. In this article, we'll explore what lifelong growth truly means, why it's essential, and how you can cultivate it every day. What is lifelong growth? Lifelong growth refers to the ongoing, voluntary, and self-motivated pursuit of personal development, intellectually, emotionally, spiritually, and socially. It's about being intentional with your evolution as a human being. This kind of growth isn't limited to academic achievements or professional success. It encompasses every area of life, including personal development, habits, mindset, resilience, emotional maturity, self-awareness, emotional regulation, spiritual or philosophical exploration, interpersonal growth, relationships, communication, creative and intellectual pursuits, physical and mental wellness. Lifelong growth requires the belief that who you are today is not your final form, and that you have the power to evolve throughout your entire life. Why lifelong growth matters. 1. It fuels fulfillment. Stagnation often leads to frustration and discontent. On the other hand, growth brings a sense of purpose and direction. When you're working toward becoming a better version of yourself, life feels more meaningful. 2. It builds resilience. Growth involves facing challenges, making mistakes, and learning from failure. As you grow, you become more resilient, able to bounce back from setbacks and adapt in the face of uncertainty. 3. It improves your relationships. Self-awareness, empathy, and communication skills, all of which are enhanced through personal growth, are essential to building and maintaining healthy relationships. 4. It enhances your contributions. The more you grow, the more you have to offer, whether it's to your family, your community, your workplace, or the world. Growth empowers you to lead, serve, and make a lasting impact. 5. It keeps life exciting. Growth invites curiosity and exploration. Whether you're learning a new skill, developing a talent, or deepening your understanding of the world, growth ensures that life remains rich, dynamic, and full of possibility. Principles of lifelong growth. To truly commit to lifelong growth, you must embrace several key principles. 1. Adopt a growth mindset. Coined by psychologist Carol Dweck, a growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort, learning, and persistence. This mindset is essential for overcoming obstacles and embracing challenges as opportunities to grow. 2. Embrace discomfort. Growth rarely happens in your comfort zone. Be willing to face discomfort, whether it's emotional vulnerability, fear of failure, or the effort of trying something new. Discomfort is often a signal that growth is taking place. 3. Be curious. Stay open and inquisitive. Ask questions. Explore new ideas, cultures, and perspectives. Curiosity keeps your mind sharp and your spirit engaged. 4. Practice self-reflection. Regular reflection helps you understand your behavior, choices, and progress. It allows you to learn from experiences and refine your direction. Journaling, meditation, or simply taking time to pause and evaluate are powerful tools for growth. 5. Seek feedback. Growth doesn't happen in a vacuum. Seek honest, constructive feedback from others who can offer insight into your blind spots and opportunities for improvement. 6. Stay humble. Humility is the foundation of all growth. Recognize that there's always more to learn, and that wisdom often comes from unexpected places. Stay teachable and receptive to new information and perspectives. Practical ways to commit to lifelong growth. 1. Set personal growth goals. Make growth a structured part of your life. Set goals that challenge you, whether it's reading a certain number of books per year, learning a new language, developing a healthy habit, or mastering a skill. Break them into small, manageable steps and track your progress. 2. Create a learning routine. Make learning a daily habit. Read, listen to podcasts, watch documentaries, take courses, or engage in meaningful conversations. Choose content that stretches your understanding and sparks your curiosity. 3. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. Your environment greatly impacts your growth. Seek relationships with people who inspire, challenge, and support your development. Engage in communities where learning and evolution are valued. 4. Challenge limiting beliefs. We all carry beliefs that hold us back, beliefs about our worth, abilities, or potential. Start identifying and challenging these narratives. Replace, "I'm not good at this," with, "I can get better with practice." 5. Turn failure into feedback. Instead of fearing failure, view it as essential feedback. Ask yourself, what did I learn? How can I grow from this? Growth-minded people don't let mistakes define them. They use them as stepping stones. 6. Take care of your whole self. True growth involves the body, mind, and spirit. Prioritize physical health, mental wellness, emotional balance, and spiritual exploration. Each area contributes to your overall capacity for growth. 7. Celebrate progress. Take time to recognize how far you've come. Celebrating growth, no matter how small, reinforces your efforts and motivates you to keep going. Overcoming challenges to growth. Committing to lifelong growth isn't always easy. You will face obstacles like fear of failure, lack of time or motivation, negative self-talk, comparison to others, overwhelm or burnout. To overcome these challenges, remind yourself of your why. Stay focused on your long-term vision and be gentle with yourself in the process. Growth isn't linear. It includes detours, plateaus, and relapses. What matters most is your willingness to keep showing up. Lifelong growth is a legacy. When you commit to lifelong growth, you're not just improving your own life. You're setting an example for others. You become a role model to your children, peers, and community. You contribute to a culture of learning, integrity, and continuous improvement. And most importantly, you craft a life that is meaningful, dynamic, and truly alive. Final thoughts. Growth is a journey, not a destination. Lifelong growth isn't about becoming someone else. It's about becoming more fully yourself. It's about stepping into your potential, embracing your humanity, and evolving into the person you were always meant to be. So start today. Read that book. Ask the hard questions. Take that course. Apologize. Learn something new. Reflect. Improve. And above all, keep going. Your future self will thank you, and the world will be better for it. Commit to lifelong growth. It's the most rewarding journey you'll ever take.